So we start off today's video with this clay candle holder. So they end up using like a bowl in order to create the shape. Now this is a pretty nifty way to craft up a candle holder. Ooh, oh, that came out so cool. And you could make an actual bowl with this as well and put like, little acorns or, festive decor in there. But I like it as a candle holder. I've never actually seen this before. Very cool. Hello everyone. Welcome back to Design Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and on this channel, we like to take a look at trending DIY project ideas and react to them. So for this next one, we're actually seeing two DIYs here. They did this mirror and this side console table. This is just blowing me away right now. Like, how in the world are both of those items DIYs? That is just insane to me. And then we have this mirror design here. Now, if you are into like the glam aesthetic, this would definitely be a cool one to try out. Doesn't seem like it's too complicated. I mean, she has the canvas here, and then she got the mirrors, and then added the glass around, and it looks so high-end and professional. Wow, that's really pretty. This looks like it's very expensive, like it would cost a lot of money. Now, if you guys are loving these DIYs that are featured within today's video and hearing my reactions, don't forget to give this one a big thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button, and you can stay up to date on all the latest home DIY project ideas. So for the next one, we are back at the dollar store. So they have these cute little heart rings that you can grab right now, of course, for Valentine's Day. Looks like she's taking it apart. And then going in with some yarn. Now you could do, like, if you wanted to play into the whole Valentine's trend, you could do red yarn or pink. I think that would be pretty. And she's pretty much just looping this through. Combing out the ends, giving it that fluffy aesthetic texture, and then cutting it so it's all the same length. Yeah, I think this would look really pretty in pink or red. Very nice festive door wreath. So next up we have a staircase makeover. These are always my favorite to watch. Something about ripping up the carpet just looks so satisfying to me. I've never actually done it, but it looks like it would be fun to do. So this is definitely not a beginner-friendly project. A lot of work is involved with redoing your stairs. So it looks like she has some type of peel and stick tile here that has like that marble effect on it. And then she's adding in some strip lights. Oh, I love that idea. So there is the before. And there is the after. It looks so modern. And I think that the strip lights really just add a nice aesthetic. Plus it's also nice, you know, when you're at night, you're walking down the stairs, you want to be able to see without turning on all your other lights. I think that's really cool. Night mode activated. Alright, so the next DIY features a vase. Or they're going to be making a vase rather, I think. So it looks to me like they got this from a thrift store and they're just going to paint it. Now this is a very simple DIY here. You can go to the thrift store, find all kinds of vases, and revamp them with a fresh coat of paint. Nice, simple, and beautiful. She instantly upgraded that. So I hope that you guys have enjoyed all of these DIY project ideas and my reactions to them. If you did, please be sure to give the video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.